Hello everyone and welcome back to the Emperor BTC channel. Today's video is going to be a quick BTC market update video following on from the thread I posted on X yesterday. So our 90k support zone, which again kind of has additional confluence with this region here, and then also this SNR level where we have a lot of support and resistance flips and a lot of swing highs and swing lows being formed in that region. We had an initial bounce in that region, and then we kind of got a little push up towards this low. And the long trigger we were looking for was to push above this region, and you can see the wider range. We have the value area high in confluence with that area as well. So the idea was if we were able to push above this level and then look for a trigger to get long on a flip back onto this level, and of course flipping the value area high as well in confluence back towards the 2025 yearly open and then this range high. As of the moment, we have ejected from this area with it acting as resistance, and we are back down in our support zone around 90k. And of course, as I mentioned, there is confluence in this region between two levels. If we were to drop down, which given the current momentum after the SFP of this range high and the bearish momentum to the downside, it is likely that we could drop below this low. And if we were, well, then we potentially get the bearish underside retest, and then I won't look for any more longs until the 2026 yearly open level. We could still hold here, and then the same previous theory is still valid, where if we're able to continue to push up from here and we find support in this region now with some volume, we get above, we could still look for this long setup. It is not invalidated until we get below this low entirely and we lose it. And then of course you have a potential underside retest there if that was to happen. So I do think that if this level does hold at 90k, there is still the long trigger over here. But if not, and we reject here, well, then the next level we're looking for is that 2026 yearly open, which you can see on the wider fixed range volume profile. We also have the point of control in that region, so we could anticipate a nice long setup in this area. So those are the setups I'm watching at the moment. Again, until we lose this low specifically, we drop down and we can anticipate that potentially we might get some resistance here, although I won't be looking to short because I do think there is a bullish rally going to occur, especially if you move to the higher time frame and have a look. But I would wait for longs in this region, or if we show momentum here and we are able to get back above this level, well then that would be the trigger. So that is all for today's BTC market update video. As I said, it was going to be a short, quick one showing the couple of scenarios I'm waiting for patiently. The first video showcasing trading tools that I use should be out tomorrow, so make sure you keep an eye out for that one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.